Good morning, everybody. My name is Charlie Zhang. I'm from Canada, Edmonton, and originally I'm from China. Today, I will be your instructor for this course, this 50-50 course. And today, I will talk about fire identification, hazard identification, and fire control. And I have about 30 years work experience in the general industry and the construction industry, and I have more than 10 years safety work experience, and I'm a CRSP and EBOSH and so on. So today we will start to learn about this course. Thank you guys. I will guys about 1 to 2 minutes for everybody to introduce yourself. Okay, now from James, please start from you. Okay, please go on. Thank you. So I think everybody should know about the emergency exit in this building. Just go out the room and turn right. Down the hall you will find the exit, and beside it is the washing room and tea room and so on. Okay, so today and our content will include following. 1. Introduction and greeting. That's I have introduced myself to you guys, and you guys have introduced yourself to me. So second, it's a basic of fire. And the third topic will be the classification of fires. The fourth is the fire hazard identification and control. The 5 is extinguishers. 6, the summary of this topic. 6, we will have a very small quiz to check if we have reached our objective for this training class. So learning objective. Upon the successful completion of this module, you guys will be able to 1. Describe the classification of the fires. 2. To identify the type of extinguishers. 3. To identify the fire hazards and how to control the fire. So first, I will talk to you guys about why we need to learn. It means the purpose. And this is an example from China. This is some fire statistics number from Chinese. In 2010, totally report 150,402. The total loss is about 1.88 billion Chinese yuan. And in 2011, total report the fire case is about 118,630 totally. And the total loss is about 1.8 billion Chinese dollars. Compare with the US dollars, it's about 300 million US dollars. So it's a huge number for the loss. So if only we can do a good job and try to prevent any fires, it will be good for everybody to protect the loss and protect the people's life. So now we will talk about the basic of the fires. So guys, I think that this is a common sense about the fires. Even it's very simple, but I would like to address it here again. Like from this fire triangle, you will see, like this is the first one, is the fuel. The second one is oxygen. And the third one is the ignition source. So these three results or fact is the most important factors for the fires. So this is called the fire triangles. And everybody knows about it, but when we talk about the fire hazard identification and how to control the fire, we must learn from the start to know these basic triangles for the fires. Here we will talk about some very important definitions for the fire. Flash point. The minimum temperatures at which sufficient vapor is given off to form a mixture with air, at which a substance will flash momentarily when a flame is applied and the vapor may cease to burn when the source of the ignition is removable. Second one is about fire point. Is the lowest temperature at which the heat from the combustion of the burning vapor is capable of producing sufficient vapor to sustain combustion. So here I lost one word. It should be 8. 8 is the lowest. Sorry about that. Okay. The third one is about hot ignition temperatures. It is the lowest temperature at which the substance will ignite spontaneously. So now we will talk about the fire spread and the heat transmission. One is about conduction, 2 is about convection, 3 is about radiation, and 4 is directly burning, and 5 is smoke spread in buildings. And here we list totally about 5 different methods, but exactly the most important is the first 3. It means conduction, convection, and radiation. So this is the conduction. This is the transfer of heat through the conducting bodies, chiefly metal, to the surroundings. This is a talk about the conduction. Convection. This is a transfer of heat upwards by the conducting body, liquids, and gases to the surroundings. Radiation. This is a transfer of heat, infrared radiation, to the surroundings. It doesn't involve any conducting body. The intensity of radiation energy is